Hey, thank you for coming. Let me show you this house by the architect Guido Campanati in Ferradura Beach. In the main floor of the house, we have this social area in different levels, all of them staging the view of the surrounding sea. You have a TV lounge, a dining room, all next to the external dining area. If you are thinking of coming to live in Búzios, you might have to make a very hard decision, either living by the sea or having a great sea view, like in this house with this great view of Praia da Ferradura. This is a deck with this beautiful view and has a barbecue place and an L-shaped pool with 14 meters swimming lane. What do you think about it? The house project has been done by Guido Campanati, one of the main architects in town. It has 5 suites, a total of 600 square meters built, in a lot of 1,550 meters, including palms and fruit trees. If you also enjoy the sea view, you will like very much your master suite with a private balcony with a beautiful view of Ferradura Beach. This property is available for sale right now, so if you'd like to know anything else about it or maybe book a visit, get in touch with me. I'm Manuel, your trusted realtor in Búzios.